Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 Sea Ray 250 SDX, and this is an outboard model as well. So the first thing I want to point out is obviously it has a Mercury 300. We did option that with the Mercury White. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and show you this huge swim platform. I'm going to show you how you got such a large swim platform here in a second. But first I want to show you the first of 3 coolers in this boat. There's one built in, drains into the bilge and over the boat, so nothing to worry about. You got 2 speakers back here, a Fusion remote so you can control it back here or at the helm. And also you have a freshwater wash down. After you get out of the salt water, want to hose yourself off, get all clean, not feel that salt on you, you can definitely do that. Alright, I was telling you guys about the swim step back there and how we had so much room. One of the cool unique features of the Sundeck 250 is that right there. That entire seat moves back, and this obviously flip-flops back and forth. This latches into place, which gives you a larger area in here to entertain while you're out on the water. Second cooler I was telling you all about is right under here. It is a removable cooler, so you can get everything prepped in the house and just carry it down to the boat. From there, I want to show you guys, again, this entire area is plenty of room to entertain. You can everyone face the center and, you know, be nice and all the action, or you can face forward and watch the, you know, the horizon as you're driving the boat and just cruising along. Getting up to the helm, we do have a Simrad display right here. That's your fish finder, depth finder, your navigation all in one. You have a Fusion head unit there. And all your switches right here, digital throttle and shift, makes it very easy to shift the boat. Another very unique feature about this boat is this large compartment in here. Plenty of cushions in there so you can lay down, get out of the sun. You can put a portable fan in there if you wanted to. Also, there's a toilet in there as well. So if you lift up that cushion, it actually snaps into place. You're not going to see that on any other boat this size. Moving to the front, you do have a windscreen right here, and the windshield folds over. So on those cooler days, you can block the wind. All the way in the front, we do have this removable table and a nice area to lounge right here. You can get a bow filler cushion right here as well. So it's just one big, large bed, I guess, of sorts. Then there's another removable cooler underneath right in the front. Also right up here, we do have the ladder and anchor storage, and another wash down right here. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston, showing you the 250 SDX from Sea Ray. Come by and see us soon.